Have you ever wondered if something as small as half a teaspoon of this powerful seed could make a massive difference in your health? Could this tiny amount really tackle issues ranging from heart health to digestive problems? Stay with us and you'll discover a simple, natural solution that will surprise you. Welcome to Levitas. Let's start with the heart, arguably the most vital organ in your body. These amazing seeds are packed with compounds that have been shown to support cardiovascular health. One of the key components is phthalates, which help relax the muscles around arteries, leading to improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure. By lowering blood pressure, they can reduce the strain on your heart and decrease the risk of heart-related conditions such as stroke and heart attacks. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of these seeds can help reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries, further supporting heart health. With just half a teaspoon daily, you can give your heart a significant boost. Moving on to your kidneys, these vital organs are responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood. Our star seeds can play a crucial role in supporting kidney health. They have diuretic properties, meaning they help increase urine production, which can assist in flushing out toxins and preventing the formation of kidney stones. The seeds are also rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can contribute to chronic kidney disease. So, including them in your diet could be a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys and maintain their optimal function. Next up is digestion, a process that affects every aspect of your well-being. They also have been traditionally used to ease digestive discomfort. They can help stimulate the production of gastric juices, improving digestion and reducing bloating and gas. These seeds also have carminative properties, meaning they help reduce the formation of gas in the digestive tract, making them a natural remedy for indigestion. If you often find yourself dealing with digestive issues, a small dose might be just what you need to soothe your stomach and improve your digestive health. But digestion is just the beginning. Your gut health is equally important. These seeds contain fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome supports not only digestion but also immune function and mental health. And the fiber in these seeds acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and helping them thrive. A healthy gut microbiome can lead to better nutrient absorption, improved mood, and a stronger immune system. By eating them, you're not just supporting your digestion, you're nourishing your entire body. Now, let's talk about what's inside these tiny seeds. They are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and manganese. Calcium and magnesium are crucial for bone health, while iron is essential for producing red blood cells and preventing anemia. These nutrients work together to support various bodily functions, from maintaining strong bones to boosting your immune system. A small dose provides a concentrated source of these vital nutrients, making it a great addition to a balanced diet. Now, let's dive deeper into the antioxidant effects of these powerful seeds. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can lead to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. They are rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, which have been shown to neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. This antioxidant action can help protect your cells from damage, slow the aging process, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By consuming them, you're giving your body an extra layer of defense against oxidative stress and inflammation. What is the seed that helps many health problems? Celery seeds are truly a versatile remedy that can address a wide range of health issues, from cardiovascular health to digestion and beyond. But how much should you take and how should you take it? Let's get into the details. To start reaping the benefits of celery seeds, you don't need a large quantity. In fact, just half a teaspoon a day is enough to make a difference. This small amount is packed with nutrients and active compounds that can support your health in multiple ways. Start with half a teaspoon and see how your body responds. You can gradually increase the amount if needed, but even this small dose can have significant effects on your health. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate celery seeds into your daily routine for the best results. Now, there are several ways to incorporate celery seeds into your diet. You can sprinkle them on salads, soups, or stews, or even add them to your smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Celery seeds have a slightly bitter, earthy flavor, so they pair well with savory dishes. If you prefer, you can also take them in capsule form, but using the seeds in their natural form allows you to enjoy the full spectrum of their benefits. Experiment with different ways of incorporating celery seeds into your meals to find what works best for you. It's important to have in mind that while celery seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's important to use them in moderation, especially for certain groups of people. If you have existing kidney problems, the diuretic effect of celery seeds could potentially increase the workload on your kidneys, so it's best to consult with your healthcare professional before adding them to your diet. Pregnant women should also be cautious, as celery seeds can stimulate uterine contractions in large amounts. To be safe, it's best to avoid celery seeds during pregnancy or use them only under the guidance of your healthcare provider. Moderation is key to enjoying the benefits of celery seeds without any unwanted side effects. In conclusion, celery seeds, though small, offer substantial health benefits across various aspects of wellness. From supporting cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and inflammation to aiding kidney function with their diuretic properties, these seeds are a natural powerhouse. They also promote digestive and gut health, thanks to their carminative and prebiotic effects. Rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants, celery seeds help protect against chronic diseases and boost overall health. Incorporating just half a teaspoon of these seeds into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to naturally enhance your well-being. For tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.